Mark these dates from 7th June to 28th July. The period of destruction has begun. According to astrology, in this period, Mars and Ketu are together in the astral chart. And in Vedic astrology, this pair triggers the wars, bloodshed, crashes, explosions throughout the history. Mars brings aggression, Ketu brings sudden detachment, leads to accidents, unexpected deaths, and killings in bulk. And what happened on 12th June? A plane crashed in Ahmedabad. Mass panic, fire, and lives lost. I would recommend all of you to not to travel in this period. And yes, if you're a number 9 or number 7, stay safe.